everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a huge Mary Kay haul that I'm going to show you. Also included in this haul is the new winter line. We have two huge boxes. This is the first one. Whoa, it's big. And another one. And this is the second one. So let's get started. So first out of the box, we have the Paint the Sky sets, and these are limited edition. They make really great holiday gifts. So first we have the fragrance mist. It comes in this little box, it's pink and white. Actually, I want to smell it because I haven't tried it before. Ooh, that's really nice. It's very floral, but very nice body mist. It smells great. So we have two of those. And also we got the matching shower gels and the matching body lotions. So it's good. And whenever you get all three of them in a set, there's also these little bags, like these cool little mesh bags that come with them. And they make really nice little gift bags. So they look. They're super cute. I like them. They have little ribbon. You can tie them in a bow. Whoop. We have three of the bags. What else? Oh, makeup remover. Comes in a box like this. It's very good, classic Mary Kay. I love this makeup remover. It's amazing. It's like really great. And it's one of these, it's an oil free, so you have to shake it up because it'll separate. But this stuff is great. I love that. Vitamin C squares, these are really great to add as an extra boost to your serum. Blending sponges, they come in these little boxes. They stay in their bags. They're very dense sponges, these ones. These are great, I love them. Because they don't absorb as much product as the other beauty blenders on the market, from my experience. These are the Time-Wise Miracle sets. So this is the, let me see. The normal to dry. And it comes with the cleanser, age-fighting moisturizer, and the night solution, day solution. So that's a great little pack. This is the one that I use. I love it. It's amazing. This is fantastic. Okay, so that one. What else? We have also the Time-Wise in the combination to oily. So it's all the same thing. It's just the cleanser, the moisturizer, day and night solution, but just for a different skin type. So whenever you order a qualifying skincare system between now and December 31st, for an additional $10, you can also get this great blanket. It looks super soft, and I can't wait to dive into mine. So half of the proceeds go to the Mary Kay Foundation whenever you do that. That's a really great one. So we have in here. Oh, satin hands. Okay, so satin hands is great. This also makes a really great holiday gift. It comes already in this little kind of gift bag. So it's very easy to do. You can throw a bow on there and you're good to go. So it comes with the skin softener. And this is an exfoliating scrub. And also, I love this one's my favorite part, the Nourishing Shea Cream. And if you watched my 5 tips for healthy skincare video, this was one of my favorites that we talked about. Okay, so we have the two of those. Let's see. 3 little scrubbies. These are really great to go into the Believe in Wonder sets, actually, because it has the shower gel and the body lotion and the mist. These actually make a really nice little addition to that. Oh, a brow gel. So it comes in a box like this. And these are really great. The Lash and Brow Building Serum. If you want to grow out your lashes or your brows, this is the product for you. This is really great. It's like this. Okay. Oh, they have a few shadows too. So I have also two of the shadows. This is the Amber Blaze. It's a really pretty color. This is really pretty for this time of year. And also the color Coal. This is a matte, this one's a matte black. This is very nice. Here's something really exciting and brand new. We had a new line of lipsticks come out. So they come in 12 shades. This is the Mary Kay Gel Semi Shine Lipstick. So they come in the box just like this. Okay. Okay, and the first color we have is Scarlet Red. Okay. Just like packaging. So this one's Scarlet Red. It's very pretty red. I like that a lot. Okay. And the next one is Love Me Pink. Ooh, pretty. Okay. This is Love Me Pink. Let's see what else we have. I like these names. Okay. This one is Raspberry Ice. Wow. This one's Naturally Buff. Oh, that's a really nice nude. This is like the perfect brown nude. I love this. Berry Couture. Oh wow, that's pretty. So this one's like a really deep wine shade. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it's has a very deep kind of berry wine color. Wow, nice. Okay, this one is Appleberry. Oh, another really pretty red. Wow, I think I'm gonna, this one's for me, for sure. It has like, some of them have like little flecks of like light reflectors in them. It's not glittery, it just looks very rich. Very, very, very pretty. This one is Spiced Ginger. Very good. That's a very festive name. I like that. Oh, nice. This is also a really pretty nude, like brownie nude. This. Wow. This one is Luminous Lilac. Oh, pretty. Hot Pink. Oh, I love the spelling for this one. Can you see this one? Wait. Spelled H-A-U-T-E, pink. I love that spelling. That's so cute. And a very vibrant pink it is. Wow, that's very cool. It's a very bold pink lip. Very pretty. This one is Red Smolder. Oh, that's a pretty. It's a very pretty, like, very pretty orangey red. Nice, very classic. This one is Sunset Peach. Oh, it's pretty. We have one more. This one is Rosewood. Oh, I love this. This is an awesome nude. If you can't tell, I love nude lipsticks. It's so nice. Okay, very good. That's it for the 12 colors. They're amazing. I'm gonna do another video to show you all the color swatches, so stay tuned for that one. These is little doe foot applicators, so whenever you come to do your makeover with me, we have now new applicators to try the product. Oh, great. So this is a new launch. This is the Time-Wise Repair on the go set. Probably about a 2-week supply in this one. So it comes in this one. This is the packaging. You can open it up. Oh, they're so cute. So there's a foaming cleanser, a little mini foaming cleanser. There is a lifting serum, mini. Voluform Day Cream. This is the night treatment with retinol. And this one is the Voluform Eye Renewal Cream. Sounds like this. So yeah, this is definitely a must-have for traveling. You just stick those in your suitcase or in your little travel bag and you're good to go. All right. Oh, and last but not least, the new biocellulose masks. These are under the repair line. They come in the box like this. I'm super excited to try these. So these are like the hottest thing in beauty right now for skincare. It comes 4 to a pack. And the packages look like these. And I'm going to also do a review video from this one because I can't wait to try these. The mask itself is made from coconut water. It makes a net and I'm super excited. We're gonna do a little facial party to try these masks out. So super excited about those. So stay tuned for a review from this one and also a lipstick swatch video. And if you're interested in purchasing or want more information on any of these products, I'm going to link everything down below in the description box. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Let me know what you think of this video in the comments below. Like the video and subscribe to my channel so you know when the next videos come out. Until next time, bye-bye.